This video is a short tutorial for teachers outlining the new transition plan process. Students access the transition plan via Canvas. Once logged into Canvas, the link will appear in a range of courses, including home group and other courses as decided by the school. Students will see the transition plan in the course navigation menu. To get started, students enter the title of their transition plan to allow identification of their plan. Students must enter an industry area they have an interest in. They can also enter an occupational interest. To explore industry areas and occupations, students should explore the Career Education and Planning online tool, My Future. Links to My Future can be found in Microsoft Edge bookmarks, on the desktop of department PCs, or in My Education course materials in Canvas. Students must enter their first and second choice destination school or college for years 11 and 12. Students can enter further information in the free text boxes about work exposure, work experience and employment they may have had, volunteering and unpaid work, outside school interests, their future plan, and other relevant comments. Students can enter courses they are interested in studying in years 11 and 12. If a student has an active school-based apprenticeship, the details will appear above the course selection box. Students can save their transition plan to update at a later time. The transition plan is a document the student retains throughout Year 10. The transition plan is designed to be updated as the year progresses, as the student builds understanding of their plans for their further education, training and career. Students should only click Save and Submit for approval once they have completed their transition plan and are ready for it to be approved by their teacher. It is ideal that this is done in Term 3 or 4. Students can create a new draft plan after they have had their original plan approved. They can then submit their new plan if they wish to overwrite their original plan.